We're over at One Source Trucks in Burkeville, Virginia. We got our new GMC C7500, little knuckle boom service body truck. We'll do a quick video, show you all the features of it. All pretty easy controls. Crane is a 180. Fully extendable. Got it. Fully hydraulic winch. Show you that everything works on the crane. Looks like it's 840 pounds all the way extended, about 9,000 pounds all the way in, 6.7 feet. It's actually a very clean truck. Plenty of storage room on both sides. Almost brand new tires in the rear. Yeah, I mean, these tires are almost brand new. Can't really get my finger down in there, but controls for the crane on both sides, along with another mat, hydraulic pressure, easy to use outriggers. I mean, very well taken care of truck. Pop the hood over too. I haven't seen a 3126 this clean in a long time. That clicking is just the AC compressor. This truck has ice cold AC. See, operating temperature, this truck has been running for, I don't know, 40 minutes. Idle. Exhaust brake works. Everything works to my knowledge except for the RPM gauge, which is going to be fixed shortly this afternoon. Two rear strobes. Set up for CB, easy to use PTO. I mean, everything on this truck is very, very, very solid. Smooth riding going down the road. Builds air pressure pretty quick. And all in all, very, very clean rig. And she's pretty much ready to go to work today. Again, we are One Source Trucks in Burkeville, Virginia. Phone number is 804-928-9099.